Once again, sensational headlines caused unnecessary panic, but let's set the record straight. Jamaica was never under a tsunami warning. Yes, a powerful 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the Caribbean Sea, and yes, tsunami warnings were issued for several countries. However, Jamaica was not one of them. The earthquake's epicenter was located about 20 miles north of Honduras and 130 miles southwest of the Cayman Islands. Understandably, this triggered tsunami warnings for some areas, with initial projections of waves reaching up to 3 meters. But as quickly as the warnings went out, they were lifted when it became clear that no significant threat remained. Despite this, misleading reports started circulating, claiming that Jamaica had been placed under a tsunami warning by the Meteorological Service. This simply was not true. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, the official authority for such alerts, clarified that no tsunami warning was ever issued for Jamaica. What we had was an advisory, an alert to monitor the situation, not a full-blown warning. It's frustrating when media outlets prioritize clicks over facts, especially in situations that could cause unnecessary fear. Instead of ensuring that people get the correct information, some publications ran with sensationalized stories that made it seem as though Jamaica was in immediate danger. This kind of reporting is not just irresponsible, it's dangerous.